Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check the disk utility in MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the launchpad. For opening the launchpad, you have to place the F4, or if you want to open this from here, you can also do that. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, your launchpad will be look like this. Now simply what we need to do, we have to click on the other section, and after clicking on the other section, as you can see here, you will get the option for the disk utility. And after clicking on this, here you will be able to see your all the details regarding to your disk. For example, used space is this, and other volume is this, and the free size is this. Like the mount point, capacity available, used, and all the things are provided here in the detail as well. So as you can see, like the mount point, capacity available, and all the details are provided here. If you want to review these, you can also do that. You simply have to read these carefully, and after this, you will be able to see this. And after this, you will be able to see that how does it work and what is the size of the your volume. So as you can see here, shared by a volume. If you want to check out the total size, you can also see that here. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can check your disk utility status and how you can see other settings as well. So see you guys in the next video.